Hi guys, another charity shop short where I show you something that caught my eye in a charity shop, but I didn't buy it. Rather like the look of this boat, 27 MHz radio control, fire boat, but what really caught my eye was the name of the manufacturer, NKOK. I don't know if that's just a play on letters to make it look like you're buying a NKO toy, because NKO is the well-known brand, and maybe boxing your product up as NKOK might get somebody to buy it by mistake. I didn't buy it, they still wanted £10 for it, even though it's pretty old and no guarantee it's actually going to work. So, interesting to look at, but I didn't buy it.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.